Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yada simrani adaji awode amaya no pai and somewhere do so near de browse Adom TV Badwam kase ne to jo mu bi ya wo betini ene ababeto dwas homeopathy kwan ya yade esanya wane de bebre ye bebo ram na yade honsam ni chiremu no abro a passenger phone so ani nye eye car agenti abo fufuro ya wonmo ade abai eno ne nsem bi na no pai mede browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra, Go TV channel 119, DSTV channel 280, Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube, Ubenya Woho, and Opemia Mesomo, Medindi Afia, Amankwa, Tamaklo. Afia ni DMT said and 70 mono etie. Penny Quancher for ya wada endpoint, homeopathic clinic, ano, ye Dr. Duboate, na enei wakasatre, homeopathic kwanya hodo a wonmo editu nyarwa hodo asie. Ekase mu no wochiremu a won de anya yare nani so en won mo so ne mum omohwe adekode pote ya de sa yade no agya so oni Adom TV kase eto so.
There are other medical conditions here. Now orthodox are not good at it here. Homeopathy, to say prostate problem, stroke, paralysis, and so on and so forth. Homeopathy is taking that, no, cheaper. Did them cause cheaper and say, orthodox. Obi top pressure medication. ABI or non-pressure medication, Bosumi be a pressure medication 500 Ghana cedis. Or known for the rest of the person's life. And I won't know what is over. But homeopathy says that, look, let's look at the cause of the problem. At the end of this, neighbor. Now you ain't getting rid of it. What you pay, you don't even pay 1 year you don't even end up paying for that root cause of the problem. So homeopathy is about lifestyle. And it's true. Lifestyle is what is killing us. And now young people getting pressure. But a da obeja sugar na drone no mono sugar na be jampo and a bedroom may be na the chrono asay no and intiama sugar na air kosoro no a bedroom may be say drone na one na 10 milligram at the corner cost was saying a bedroom may be 10 milligram drone emfa. There are other medical conditions here na
TV Badwam kase na oguso shano na shano so say ene ya beto dwa say lorry fare ana agenti abo no one more atutumunti ede echinwahyewo aba adrobafo ne apasenyafo entem tisansam no premtobrane nsam kayemu so de ekoso wo mu no yede bebro miento so na yemunwura yensam foforo emu shop owners ya nanwa dai one more apo akofia da womani betia na tese wonne ma e wo madina edwan fa ba bie ne ja tomahye no dwerebe ene madake nom ne ade eno ombo aproko ho ko shede aka wo mu Adom TV amanbofo ko ho eni bidim command sama odi tuja eni
if we have 6 o'clock me ko krom ko fa anyama e bai and 90.6 me drew fie no by 8 o'clock and me nya information say eja atoha so I say me rush down kiti me bai no na it is true eja Atom. Madake. Even this is we umbrella. When we umbrella no. And we in Kolanyema. Then bath for children. Then we have buckets.
Embra we do ha na jono situation it say na fire for ha omubo madi so medum na.
Fire service here ejuma. Na mo ye ejuma. Even though the omo nya access in remedy but they were quenching the fire. Billions of money. Billions. Billions. Because in Yemen, it runs into Sikamu and Kasa.
Meton Tuma, Meton Diku, Meton Uniform, the Ayapam, the Ayampam, Meton a Funiama, Meton Hunie, Metoniama Bebre, Dapo one. Men Ramada, Anna Mebano, or Wari Wakaswa, Anna be friend or has said. Ejuanoshi and our friend me story and I be say mantishi and me see mantishi I then was see Juanoshi ampa me buy and man to my room me nkwada no no so mo kita me ma to from po premier no ana mo kita me say me nya abutare ampa ye wure mo me be hwe me shop no hwe pimpo me man yi o electricity ho de bebre no awo mo meters ba onu say dwemu ade de obi nya obi na benya meter but nka mida for
be my meters. Amo my ya obi ase apata bia ne store bia benya 1 meter. Omo wie na hand over my electricity for the best in there. Electricity for me ye hwe nti still that na ye use ankrofo aye illegal connections no eno na wo ho. And the ya say the ya if say me da for na ne ko meeting. Nti me da for na ya ye frɛ wo mo. Ebi sa am sa kosi sen. Omo so de omo kyerɛ ya ne say electricity for nsem. Ya twen ya besi sa time ya omo meye maaye.
Na me de ma ne boy efri Madina market e de bre Adom kase. Me din de Selasi amo.
Rahosam bi asi wo wutu senya ismensin mu wonfinfin mantemu eyeka so a na ne nyina ne se abemu a wo hwe no a wo wura ne be ne 30 simu ene wato na nanom nsie do de oka no ho so pra no mu odin bra woni hyen edi mpo Adom TV kase etwaso
Anya kama anope ya be 5:30 ya ena car ebo motor any the pillion rider. Unfortunately the pillion rider passed. The pillion rider is the one behind the rider. Anope ya wa enya media ya pressure ya be record accident bia in 2024 Sunday. It is remundi mranu sumaye na bibia nkoboko na ya improve on what we did even last year. Yeah, Yasida Abema Allah. Amen. Yeah, me patch me side there. Me Midibama, Minya Bema, our Kasa district. Now, on the Maka, they are shrinking and missing genitals. About the our Kaswa. Yadamuna.
My Fakasiano and Kwasim for suit. Nabeto Jasa Bemuani, Dean de Nicholas Nyame. When you fear doing sin a waira, Nene Yokuhunu no another say. Wakoto galamse piti ibumu amwatwa na nanu nsia do arehusemi si ye ewa sindompem eno wo asimfo sumfinfin mantem Adom TV etwaso yi Company abadi akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Franka Tuni so de man PP amanyokuo na nura wakasa de afa LGBTQ eho ensem ne ginabe ewo mu na no na Ghana fo bi nso ache won adwen afa ho wo mani aso de pani na ka no Adom TV etwaso.
The Holy Quran is replete with verses frowning on LGBTQ acts, including same-sex marriages. My faith is, therefore, very strictly against the practice of homosexuality. All the major religious traditions in Ghana, Christianity and Islam, are opposed to this practice. And I stand opposed to it now, and I will stand opposed to it as president, inshallah.
Twan nkase so e de afutu ema nkamusom ne Kristosum ne nyina se ye nyina yenkamom na enye ba ko mfa nkekere oman no empuntu.
Let us continue to hold firmly as one people and continue to strengthen our national spirit of inclusivity, tolerance, peace and unity.
Ewo mampani abedi akire enkase mu a ochem se LGBTQ yadia nani enje ho no Adom kase ene enkamofobia nei ewo edelfitu yase obebo mpa Kumasi Central Mosque atwetwe nkomo
kwasemu ewo Quran mu hwa ba kwasemu ewo enwoma edi kan aska na Quran ba Bible mu apambre da apamfufura ni nyina akasatia sa dwumadie no se nyame wabo oba eno wabo bema eno osi bema enware oba na ede na bema ko are bema na oba ko are ba de ta kurasi se asan be kan se yesi nipa ko ware aboa
amansanchi amekwadwo bi mreku amanepo
East Central East Regional Police Command and Zongo Chiefs ya won worker so se ene de won makwan na da ponko moto no a won di sala won de nam ye nieme nsem no won ebesoso so ebi won mo hwe se afidie no ebekoboko basabia nsie no obi nsumpra Adom TV etwaso yi
Emranu Sumaye. Yes, it started 3 o'clock, and the 3 p.m. is starting from here, this very venue. Yeah, this ready say, the best there, Anka 2:45. Now, all the 36 tribal chiefs, together with their subjects, are already here. About 3 per Yenimso Dipro, Ebebaha, now you are starting near Kopepepe. Police will lead the procession. Now, yes, please go with our pace. Na bibianya kama yensa kan say there is an ongoing construction on the Kasawiniba Highway. Adding traffic kakra abakwan so. Na say ye chepe, na say traffic no ebebru last year. Last year ye money ye fair. Na ye pese ye improve on what we did last year.
And wachi also for here for insama so. Ya onukru ya imrashibidwani ya ujinama wona ewe wutu senya isin peswan weso Mavis hawa kumsen enso denkra ema ne muslimi mabunu nyina
ne kan se sale yi eye niche eye merry making ma yenye basabasa ma yenye ade a ebesei enne ade fefe ayaba be we he lima abompa ye police fu akasa mpanyifo akasa ende zongo yesu afa yentuma pefro yesi edin bone afiri yeso se se edi papa nko a eti by 3 o'clock ye be call round se ekodi agro no eye nije nko a we wish you obia all the best mo social media for we wish you all the best.
Yemfa from Montemu na honso chief and our regional chief imam Sheikh Alpha Ana Samidu ono so de tunkremo kro no nyina nim wo from Montemu se wo momo abambofo post no ewo nipa bonfo bi oduadua wo no mumu no wo Montemu se be ya wo betimi akon ayisafo no afiri kro no mu.
We should try as much as possible to help our security agencies. Let's help them to maintain peace. If we didn't maintain peace, they cannot maintain peace. So let's help them to maintain peace. And we are calling on party communicators. We should know what will come from our mouths. We should know how to come from our mouths. The media, we thank you for the work you are doing. We are appealing to you, the host, those who host, the callers, presenters. When you call somebody or somebody call you, and the person wants to say something which will bring problem, please advise the person.
Enwachi DCOP Andrews Brodu ya wono ye from Antamanimu Police Command enso so were to Muslimi fu atwehye ni nyina mu say.
We congratulate all of you for the 30 days fast. You've done well. And I will urge you, as Imam said, security is a shared responsibility. The community members, you have a role to play. And we, the security agencies, also have a role to play. When the two of us come together, then we can build a solid and a peaceful voter region and Ghana as a whole.
Enran kremofo di dano mano ya kononti mrashebedwani a wono wa wutu senya east abato mpesua so ye Mavis Hawa Kumsen ene hawkers ana wono etonton ne makwa ho so bienom ne ade be 10,000 die o ma wo maduane di kwa wanye won kapra kura Adom TV etwaso
ye di salami wo eti ene aduane atembia mendo ano masanu ebibio mu ede ko akocha mama dofo because me your batampa obatan de nim ne maye mu kom era minnim se ene aya fi sebi o me nka so munye bindi but e me fese me your batan me suma no aduane e ma me mba di bi say ye say ye merry making a enye na say so be ye barka da sala na sa fi shapa no nko a but e wo se wo ye e kire se wo your batan pampa na aduane ne drinks a sebi o ye de chama amanfo sani ebe ya omuso eni beji internet media ye di ni bi aduane over 10,000 pieces air packs and over 10,000 ye wo zongo krom na ya ye overhead bridge na sini na ye wi ye di bi so akọ new market na ye di bi so akọ fanko ye nim bebi a enkofo eboa no eye adwuma bebi a lorry stations wo nini na ye di bi be kokọ kakaka enye se ye chama Muslims nko a ye chama both Christians and Muslims. Afina so ena ye kire wodo. And as a mother, this is the only way I bet me a kire wodo ama woma. Ye dis alami wo.
MPP parliamentary candidates de Matano North wa hafumante munso. Wonu ye kasama for mama mpani abedi akire Dr. Gideon Bwako. ono so mabunu be se 200 wo abaton pesua no so a wo won sika ahye wo mafro modene se won kosua insanu nyuma se be ya dache wo de bebo won bra
kra me ka kire test confo wo akokai College of Education ha nyina ne se omunyire omo ho enya dwumaso ema NPP amanyoko no
Dobiano, the attention that call on my school, so a Badwam scholarship, a moped jump, so to Kankosiade. Now, you mean, I'm so most I can't fear among to our schools, no more person, no side, even who is also among the doors. Until I see a shady a bit to my they are born, until I can answer your neck or focus on my more. And yes, I saw you machines and the machines, I'm on the baby bread and crawling. See the Badwam, no more so much more than it, Marcoso. When in action, my son more pocket money. I no man kwana me de my some pocket money. I can have masters for no mom bibi kakra de ato mobotum. Send be amoso be nya komapa. E de ache masters na adwuma.
Eno achi seta sabe be dia kon ya wono. TV director ewa hafumantem mo de abasobo ema opanyi. Oso ba won sera be mo amebuni obeye wo mu adoye.
Enedai Tibet Ghana service I wa hafumantem ha. Ye ni agiye papa ne yebo parliamentary candidate or Tano North nso abasopa Dr. Gideon Boakon ewa namontu a watu esanse sesei ensanu nyuma eyade a eye de ye kase betimi aboa oman chichire na menemo kase omudwumadie no so efole andayen omo wo class musua yen ye de mu omo ni class musua so ehye yensa the senti ye besre no se yenso ye beta na chi na ne dwumadi a wahya ase a so opese da ne da nyina no wo ye no yenso ya bɔ ne chi dom
Maminyira no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brama kwan na no pay mede asie medase emre ne adaje a wode ma ye radin fa nkomra somdwem nemum kwaso ana ne yentna fite de bon krata no online stories no so bi aka yensa ya de brawo kwasinsia ye krado ye nchekura smaba mienu miensa bi de ne yasaba twen